Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is saying that allegedly Dwayne is on his platform saying that, you know, people can comment whatever they like on the video, on whatever Marcia is saying, basically. And she's saying that he said allegedly that as long as they don't disrespect him, he's fine. No, Marcia's coming out about this because she's saying that we all, as bloggers, have a responsibility to protect everyone, the person that we post as well. She's saying that it's disrespectful for a blogger to post her content, and doing that, you know, allowing people to be disrespectful to her as well, by coming out and saying that we're able to sing anything as long as you don't disrespect the content, the person that's posting the content. So she's talking about that. She's talking about Dwayne. She's talking about, you know, her business and things that she's doing. She's saying basically that she shows her light, and it's not that she don't have anything, because she had saved up her money, she had bought stuff, a lot of merchandise that she has, you know, and she has different storage units that she store her stuff in, and she has a lot of stuff stored up. So it's a lot of money that she has stored up, so when people think that she's only getting money by selling her sheets and quilts and stuff, she has other means of getting her money as well, and she's provided with that every day by God. So she's not worried about, what other people want to say. But guys, go ahead and catch the video and see what Marcia has to say about this, and about us, the bloggers, and everything else. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And have yourselves a beautiful day. Also remember, guys, that Marcia saw sheets and stuff. Go and check her out.
It's dirty and wicked. Marcia make me look into yourself and say, who for video and who for voices that you use to build on a platform. Do you know how much thousands of views that Dwayne get on his page? You shouldn't allow people to over there diss me and call me pig and mad and crazy and this and that and me. If you know, sister, me I talk crazy. None of you bitches out there can't talk saying like me. Me not ask you now. Go listen to my intellectual conversation, because so you don't have no intellectual to comprehend what I'm saying. Because me not have to give you no whole heap of advice at the time. But I want to pick out what me I say. Because I want to stupid and dumb. I want to have too much envy and jealous. Me tell you now. Me tell you now, if there is two people on social media where una bitch is jealous of, it's me and 99 in Jamaica. Me not ask you now. If it's two person on social media that's no envy on social media, it una envy are even worse. Una go on like say una like her or una supporting her. No, una like her. Una don't like her. Una don't like her. I was only true acquaintances that she ever met in her life. Me not ask you. The person who can tell her when she's wrong, and the person who can tell, the one who not kiss her black ass. Well, me I could tell her right now. You don't have to get the fuck over it. You see what me did I do? You see what me did I do? I pack me a pack box. You see this box right here? A Canada it go. You see this box right here? It's going to Canada. 2 big comfort and 4 sheets. A Canada it's going. Me down here for a long time, Me just not come. I down here do a whole heap of things in a pack up, I just don't come on social media. Me say me can't bother with the foolishness. I say let me come down here and come. Cause I'm not afraid. The lady over there, they saw a sweep up and whatever. She'll leave 6 o'clock. And me say, listen, whether me there, not up in now pull me out of here. Me I come sit down right here and dash my kalanga water. See my kalanga water right there, so. And that me say me I do. My kalanga water is right there. And me say to myself, the person called me, say, Marcia, look at that. Dwayne is over there allowing his audience to diss you. He make a statement, as long as you don't diss me, you have a freedom of speech. But they don't, none of the bloggers who share my video don't remember, say, if it was not for Marcia Campbell name, if it wasn't for this ugly girl right here, so sit down. Wanna call caca iron, workless and stagnant and this, that and whatever. Uno wouldn't reach on is today. Uno wouldn't even getting a paycheck from YouTube yet. What me have for anyone to envy me? My everything that you don't know I have. Me have joy and happiness, and it cannot be bought. Joy and happiness and a high self-esteem. Joy and happiness and a high self-esteem where you cannot buy. You cannot buy. Joy and happiness and a high self-esteem and blessing of God, blessing and favor over my life. That is what I have. That cannot be bought. Living my life freely as I want to, with no rules and regulation and no tie down for no man. That it cannot be bought. You can't buy my personality. You can't buy me. That is what my joy and happiness. That is what it is. The joy and happiness right there, so. Envious and bad mind. You know how hard it is to get joy and happiness and my personality on social media? Do you know how hard it is to have a self-esteem and love yourself and treat yourself nice, and you make sure that you are the number one priority and not an option? Do you know how hard it is to do that? Do you know how hard it is to reach a place in your life where you're comfortable, you're just nice and easy, you can do what you want to do? What me can do, no can do it. I can go anywhere in the United States to live. I can take up myself and go anywhere in the United States and live. I am free like a ras bird. Una can't do it. Una can't. Because first of all, una don't have no plan, una don't have no future, and number one, una don't have no good family. While I have all my good sisters and brothers. So that is the thing. Una don't have no backup plans. Una don't have no future. While I have it. And that is it. I have a security blanket. Me have plans. Me know where. If me can't afford to live how me I live, me know which part me I go next. Me know say I will never sleep out a door. So the thing about it, una don't have no plan, and una don't strategically plan out certain things. So una don't have it. And una don't have no joy and happiness. Una don't have no freedom. Una create a lifestyle where una lifestyle don't have no freedom. Una don't have no freedom. Una mad out over Marcia life. I have a freedom. I can live anywhere that I want. I can take up myself and take my things out of storage right now and say, bam, I'm going to Texas. I'm going to Florida. I'm going to this and start a life over. And una can't do it. Una don't have the resources. Una don't have the help. And una don't have no backup plan. While I have a backup plan. Remember, I have my 6 sisters and brothers, honey, that loves me, you know. And I'm always welcome because me and my sisters and brothers, they live very good. And they care about me. You understand? Uno want a sister and a brother, uno live good. Uno no have no peace of mind. Uno are sharing my contents, making money, but yet not cost me. Uno come on social media every day talking about me, but yet no can't stop watching me. That's what I don't understand. Good evening to you. Good evening. Yes. So I am saying to Uno don't have a backup plan. What backup plan? If somehow Uno don't have nowhere to live right now in the United States of America, where are you going to go live? Shelter. 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 Where Uno going? You have a backup plan? Uno sisters and brother live good? Me want to know, is Uno and a family live good? All of my sisters and brothers are here in the United States. Me and them is as good as ever. Them allow me to have my freedom. Them not call me. They used to call me and say, Marcia, stop, answer them, them no bother no more. Them know when me ready, me can just drive up in my Jeep, buy a plane ticket and reach at them yard. Me welcome, because them would have glad to see me right now, me not ask you. My sister, them would have glad to see me right now, me not ask you. Me is like a celebrity to my sisters, them. They would have glad to see me right now. Marcia, you gonna come off of Facebook? Marcia, you gonna... I'm telling you, una do have no backup plan. That is it. Una don't have no backup plan whatsoever. Una grudge me for me tool for sheet. If me I sell me sheet, them because me if they come out and sell my business. All of a sudden, if me selling the sheet them, all of a sudden me I sell the sheet them because me in a motel and me want to sell the sheet them to pay me motel bill. Look at that outorderness. Look at it. I have my business. And you are going to tell me, say, it me coming out. Me don't know who tell us for me in a motel. Let me know what kind of motel me in. Me I sell my sheet. So what happens? After all the time now when me I sell my things then, me never want it for motel. Me never want it for pay for motel. And none. All of a sudden, me I sell me sheet them. Go ahead, girl. Yeah, if you come and I sell your sheet them, if you stay in a motel. You know, since you're envious and bad mind. Me is a businesswoman. Me sell me sheet them every day and talk about my sheet them. Matter of fact, me not even advertise my sheet them how I should. All of a sudden, then me ask a question. Then me asking a question. If me not if me not sell sheet, if you say, look how much time me there no sheet no sell, and me still have a show over my head said way. Me tell you, you know. And I know only sheet alone give me resources. And where who no things here give me resources. It's not sheet alone give me resources. My resources come from the Heavenly Father. Oh, not too bad mind and jealous. I know me telling if you tie down with man when I want to know. I know me telling us if you have man on the yard now fuck you know, and go to road and fuck other woman. You understand? I know me telling that. I know me telling us if you have mind blood clot man of Jamaica and I done the ras money. I want to know so no pussy clot done so now work nothing no good money. I know me telling you that. If I know me telling us if you done no blood clot corona money. See my corona money, yeah? Look here. Look there. Look there. You can see there that storage. Full of merchandise. When I was when disaster come and me I get my unemployment check, I invested it. From 2003 and I turn it into a profit. I never go buy Gucci bag and fake ear. I never went. Being proud of myself. As a black business owner, I can't wake up when I want to wake up. My face looks so pretty. I'm so pretty. I have an ale maquillage. That's what I'm wearing today. Ale maquillage. Makeup. Yes, that's what I'm wearing today. Ale maquillage. Yes. I don't have on no lashes, but I'm wearing ale maquillage makeup, and it's very pretty. Make my face look nice, just as fit makeup. Yes. But I'm wearing ale maquillage today. Yeah. Uno no like see beauty. Somehow uno did it, uno go on uno ugly like. Uno come across people no ugly like. Can you manage if uno so fucking ugly? Can you manage uno pussy ugly like a bullfrog? I wanna come a chat. Can you imagine? Uno come talking to people. Where you look past some on a profile where chopping people. No, ugly. Uno countenance is so ugly, you can't see so uno blood clot stress out. I'm mad over my blood clot American citizen paper. Uno mad because I live here for 4 years. 4 years me live here. Count it down. 4 years is like 40 years. So uno pussy clot mad because me grew America. And uno never grew here. And whatever. Blood clot uno mad because me can't relax now. Me are 51 next year. Next month. You understand? And I can get me little benefit there, kick in, and do what I want to do. And uno can't do it. Uno motherfucker can't do it, honey. Uno can't do it. Uno mad because I said, me supposed to be poor, and I'm looking so good and happy, honey. I tell you. That is what it is. Uno fucking jealous. Bitches, uno forget the life. Uno jealous because uno say me don't have nothing. And me blood clot, bomber clot, I live better than uno. And that is what I had to know. How is the motherfucking ugly bitch living like free like me? Which girl in America? Look what America fucking hard. Look how America is so hard. And look how me I live. Free like a blood clot bird. Like said, there's nothing bothering me. You know why? Because I satisfy within myself. Me no run down vanity. Me no run down here. Me no run down them something. And number one, me no mind blood clot man. Me no mind man. Me nah pay for no blood clot cocky partner and nah get no pussy draw. You understand? So that is what it is. What you say a while ago? 50 what? You want yeah, oh shit. That's a farm park. Okay. Alright. That's a farm park. I forget that somebody was in the driveway. So that is it. So no wondering, oh the fuck, how the hell this girl, how the hell, they're wondering, how the hell this girl looks so fucking relaxed and good and she ain't got shit. I hit a mad them, you know. All this fucking girl looks so good. I hit a mad them. Oh, she looks so good. And oh, she looks so good. And she don't have nothing. That's what I'm mad them, you know. It's puzzle to them. It puzzle to them. Oh, she looks so good. Oh, she looks so good. And don't have nothing. And that's how them see it, you know. Oh no, I forgot mad at Master God. You can't mad at me, bitches. No? You can't mad at me. You cannot be mad at me. You have to go ask Master God. You can't jealous. You can't jealous of my life. Sitting. Oh no, I have to rewind and come again. I'm a water, me a pack in here. You have to ask God that. Remember people, me have a battery soon dead. Remember me have sheets, bathroom sets, quilt, curtains, all of these are for sale. $20. All bathroom mats are on sale. $20. And kitchen curtains, beautiful kitchen curtains, right here. Everything is on sale. That's how me I do my business. Let me go back inside, carry them cat. That is what it is. I could have just carry them case of water. That is what it is. You are very envious and unhappy. 50 is the new 25. You have to reach somewhere in your life.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.